Hi, I'm Luke Drivstuen, and I'm here at Idaho showing you our new 6000 Pro surface mounting box. So if you need to install our system outside the wall, this is a perfect solution. It's great for garages, workshops, or industrial spaces. The surface mounting box allows you to install the valve on the outside of the wall rather than the inside of the wall. It's super sturdy and it's simple to install. Our standard material comes in 3 colors: gray, white, and black. We also make the box in a carbon fiber reinforced material, which comes in black and Titan gray. To install the valve in the mounting box, insert the valve from the bottom and press the door into the grooves. The cover plate snaps on easily from the bottom. So we 3D print all the mounting boxes right here on site. And we've installed the Titan gray surface mounting box, and we hooked it up to some clear tubing so you can see the hose going in and out. Well, thanks for watching. You can check out more details on our website at hidahose.com. And as always, let us know if you have any questions.